Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to change the column data type in Pandas data frame. First approach is using as type method. First of all, I created one data frame using this dictionary. In this, values are present inside the quotations. This is the data frame. It is having two columns, column 1 and column 2. These are the values. We can check the data type of each column by using df.dtypes attribute. The output of this df.dtypes attribute is it will be having column names here, and what is the data type of each column comes here. Column 1 is object type, that is nothing but the string. Column 2 is also object, because here we gave inside the quotations. Now I want to convert that column 1 and column 2 into different data type. Here 1 2 3 all these are integers, so I want to convert into integers, and column 2 are the decimal values are present, so I want to convert into the float. For that, we can use this method. For column 1 dot as type, I want to convert into integer, so I give integer here. Second column I want to convert into the float, so I give float here. Now after converting, we can check the data type here. After converting, data types are int 64 and float 64. There is one drawback with this method. It raises an error if the conversion is invalid. For previous case, all the values here are integer, all the values here are decimals. But instead of integer, one value is text. This one we can't convert into integer. So if we directly convert using this method, it will throw an error. It will say that it can't convert this a into integer. So to avoid this error, we can pass this parameter, errors equals to ignore. In that case, what will happen is, here it can't convert a into integer, so it will ignore entire column to convert. So it won't convert the first column to integer, it will leave as it is object. So column 1 type is object and column 2 type is float 64. That is one of the drawbacks of this method. Next approach is using p.to_datetime function. This is the function which is present in the Pandas library. This is useful to convert the datetime formats into datetime formats which are present inside the string into the datetime format. In this case, in this data frame, the datetime values are present inside the strings, inside quotations. So data type of this column is object. So to convert this one into the datetime format, data type, we can use pt.to_datetime function. For that, we have to pass df column name. So after that, if you check the df.dtypes, it will come as a datetime format. In this case, we give in this format yyyy-mm-dt. It can handle various other formats also, like dt-mm-yyyy 4-wise. Various formats it will handle. We need not mention the format also. And then if something is see here, in this case, this is not the datetime format. If you try to convert this one into the datetime format, like this, it will throw error. Sorry, this one, I'm running this. It will throw an error saying that here A is not the datetime format, so it will throw an error. So to avoid that, we have to pass errors is equal to course, so that if you pass like that, in place of non-datetime format, it will replace with NAT. NAT means not a time. there is another function in this pandas library, that is to underscore numeric. In this case, I created one data frame with numerical values inside this. 10 is integer, 20.5 is a float, and invalid is a string. All these values are present inside the quotation. That means all these are in the string format. If when we check the df.data type, it is data type is object. To convert this column into the numeric, if you directly convert this column into the numeric without passing this parameter, it will throw an error, because invalid is not a numeric data type. Invalid is not the numeric data type. So to avoid this error, we have to pass this parameter, errors equal to course. Then in that case, it will replace that non-numerical value into nan. Nan means not a number. Now if you check the df.d types, it will show as the float 64. Next function is categorical. Inside the pandas library, there is one more function, that is categorical function. Here in this example, data frame, the values of the data frame are a, b, a, c. These are categorical variables. Categorical variables means, for example, gender, male, female. Those values will be repeated most of the times. So in that case, those are considered as a categorical data type. But here in this case, all these values are present in the quotations. So data type of this one is object. Now I want to convert this object data type into categorical. For that, we have to use pd.categorical function. If you use this function, then after that, if you check the data type, it is converted into the categorical data type. Advantage of this categorical data type is reduces the memory usage, and second one, these categorical data types are useful for the machine learning and statistical modeling. Last one, if you want to change the multiple columns at the same time, we can use this one. Use this method, and you have to pass the dictionary. First, column 1 I want to convert it into the integer type, and column 2 I want to convert into the float type. Then output will be these columns will be converted into the respective type. If you like this content, please like the video, and if you want, please share with your friends also. And if you have any doubts and any suggestions, please comment down, and please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.